Every time I see you, you make my heart say,
Need Productions.
Give me some motivation so I can speak about the truth. I never thought I'd meet a girl just like.
What's up, y'all? I'm about to show y'all how to make some crabs, snow crabs, and shrimp. Stay tuned. Mukbang. Alright, first, that crab boil in that joint. I like mine hot, so I use most of the bottom here. Put some more. Next, lemon juice. We're gonna put salt next. About to pour this whole thing. All right. Next is garlic powder. After that is onion powder. Then I put my little secret ingredient in there. Y'all don't steal my stuff, but orange juice here. Squeeze oranges, same thing. Then we're gonna put some Old Bay seasoning in that joint. Cooking it up. Look at that thing. Last but not least, we ran out of Tony, so we ain't got no Tony. But look, some black peppers. Ton of mix. Okay, y'all saw me put the lemon juice in there, but now it's time to add some real lemon, give it that real taste, you know. So I'm about to cut up some lemon. By me.
So then you cook the crab pan?
Yep. Had to switch knives, and that was making me look bad. My bad, y'all. I left out one key ingredient. Butter. You gotta put some butter in that thing here. Watch me. Check me out. The snow crab's not done yet, so I'm about to hit up these here shrimp. They taste good too, son. But look, I'm about to tell y'all about me. My name is Brian James, and I used to play sports. I want to be an athletic trainer, weight trainer, and all that, you know. I may eventually quit this job and go to work for myself. But you know, trying to stack my bread so I can get my own place. Trying to own my own gym. Yeah. I'm about to start making more YouTube videos of me working out and stuff. It's gonna be lit. Lit. These things good, fool. I ain't make them too hot because our customers usually old. I don't want to get nobody a heart attack or nothing. But last time I made it, they was complaining. It was too hot. It was good to me. I'm from New Orleans. So you know, that's how we eat it. Oh. But yeah, I love my girlfriend. I'm gonna marry her one day. You know. We're gonna be cooling together forever. My baby. Y'all saw the ring video. Y'all know. Yeah. We in college together and everything. I don't really mess with college. I'm just there to build my clientele up. I'm in the gym every day. You know? Building my clientele up. Then when I get my own stuff, everybody gonna be like, woo, come and work out with BJ. Get big with BJ. Lose weight with BJ. Workouts with BJ. You're just waiting on crabs. Hey. Don't be talking about me neither, bro, because I don't really know how to eat crabs like that. That's not really my thing, you know? They don't got enough meat. But whatever. I ain't worried about y'all. I can fight. Got me some potatoes here. So yeah, my favorite music, I like my favorite rappers. I like Kevin Gates, Lil Wayne, NBA Youngboy, of course Tupac. I like Biggie, but only some of his songs. You know, I know this is Biggie. Just some of his songs I like. I don't really feel the rest. Yeah, you know. Dang, soft, boy. I cook that. I'm the man. Oh. Put that butter on them thing, boy. Smack it. Real talk. See the seam, huh? Right. I don't know, son. You feel me? Yeah, I'm feeling just like eat one of them joints, food. I don't really eat them like that. I like the ones I make, bro. Them things. y'all, I don't know how to eat this like that. I be trying. Not that much meat. Here, that. Buckets. Oh God. This man ain't got no meat for me. No meat, no juice. No like. There we go. I go like this right here. Oh. Woo. Don't be in the comments talking crazy. I can fight. I'm telling you. I ain't really feeling it. I'm gonna eat something else. What up, y'all? Got me a cookie. And I got me some milk, dog. Yeah. But hey, real talk, I hate being like a likable person sometimes. That's just my personality. People at work all day, Brian, BJ, all days. Lazy, no good mother. I ain't gonna say it. They lazy, son. They lazy. I hate it. Look at me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But in my head, fool, I'm like, man, what the hell you want? What you want now? I'm about to show y'all, look. This is my YouTube. Fish.
Yes, and he's still gonna dig in there and get the same stuff. Yep. Go ahead, BJ.
You gonna say hey to my YouTube?
No.
Why you acting like that? I thought you watched my videos.
I watched one of them.
You watch only one. Which one was that?
Right. You want me to put these in that first? You want me to use these first?
What that is? No, the ones in the corner.
Why you put this in the corner?
You think I feel like working that hard, Mr.
I do?
Joe is gonna stop all that over here.
Miss Sarah.
Up in here, up in here.
You don't want to say it?
No, I don't want to say it.
Miss Sarah, my girl. She cool people. She cool people.